Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today is Vlogmas day 13. We only have 12 more days till Christmas. Are you guys excited? Kind of not this year, but Christmas is Christmas, and today we are going to work. But before I go to work, I'll go to Seafood City, do some mukbang for you guys. So let's go, because my car is beeping. Daming mga chips, diba? Grabe siya. Wow, let's see. I love piatos, but the sour cream flavor. Cheese, clover, prawns, crackling. 99 cents, 99 cents. Ang mahal, diba? I just got back from Seafood City and I'm in my car. Let's do a haul real quick because the guy next to me is putting away his groceries and he's taking forever, so I can't leave because he has his door open. But I got cracklings. This is my favorite chips. Good for like when you're just munching. I got one beef mummy. I never tried this before. And then 3 of the bolalo flavored because it was $4.45. I never tried the century tuna yet, so I'm gonna try one for now before I buy a lot. Got the salt and vinegar flavored chippy pillows. I love this one. It's chocolate filled snacks. And then I got ginisa because that's what I used to for any of my cooking, make it more like flavorful. And then I got watermelon seeds. I love this one. It's just a lot of work to eat it. And then I got a few of seasonings for cooking. So I got apitada, mamacita's suete, and then tamarind soup because it was 2 for something. I think it was 59 cents or something like that. And then I got Max, my favorite candy, just for like when you're coughing. And then Vietnamese noodles because I'm gonna plan on doing pho. I don't know when, but that's the brand that I saw one of the YouTubers use, and one of his recipes was so good, or looked good actually. So that's why I got that brand, because he says that's the best brand. So yeah, I'm gonna do a mukbang now. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I literally spent like $40 on it. It's so expensive, guys. I'm not even joking. Like $40 for all of this. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat all of it. So I got calamari, which is $7.50 for like just half order. And then I got liempo with rice and a side of palabok. And then I got 2 of the barbecue pork. I did not get chicken because for a piece it's $3.50 and it was so expensive. And then I went to the street food place. So I got 2 pieces of pork intestines. They have isaw, but it was like the long it's the big intestines, and it didn't look good, so I only got 2 because I don't know if it's good or what. And then I got tok neneng, which is quail eggs with like flour, and then fish ball because the fish ball looks different. So I have it right here. I'll show you guys in a bit. I'm gonna just go to Starbucks real quick, get my drink, and we'll do a mukbang. Oh my goodness, guys, I was literally waiting for parking for like 30 minutes. But I got here to my working place. I have the windows down because I have the phone right here, and it's gonna be like in front of the AC, so it's gonna make those noise. So let's go ahead and do a mukbang. So let me show you guys the ones that I got first. This is the calamari. I hope it's still crunchy. Oh my gosh. So this is the calamari, guys. It smells so good. There you go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's try it. Oh my god, it's not crispy anymore. It's so good. This is the palaba. So it came with my lampo order. Oh, the sun is out. There you go. So good. Like that. And then I have the sheet food. She wrapped it around with like saran wrap. Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh. Now it can smell like the grilled stuff. So I have it right here. Oh my gosh. So this is the pork intestines. And then this is the fish ball right here, and tok neneng, which is quail eggs. Let me just put my finger. I have the pork barbecue right here, wrapped in foil. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped that. Gosh. And then I have the lampo with rice. I didn't know that they were gonna give me like hella rice. Should have just gotten like a side of rice or something. But right here, there you go. Oh my gosh, looks so good. So let's go ahead and dive in. We're gonna do the lampo first because why not? Hopefully like no one will watch me eat in my car. It's like I'm facing the parking structure. So let's do this one first, the street food. I'm gonna open vinegar because the lady at the calamari stand I didn't get to film that part. I think there were a lot of people in line, so ooh, I have vinegar right here. Oh my gosh, I think it's the spicy vinegar. Ooh, I love. Oh my gosh, it's gonna like spill. So let's try the fish ball first, which is this right here. There's no taste, but it is like fish ball. I was doing the thumbnail and literally had people like walking by watching me. So let's try the tok neneng, which is the quail eggs and flour. Not bad, guys, not bad. I love. I love it. It was like $1.50 for a stick. So for 3 pieces it's $1.50. That's so expensive. I can make my own. I mean, quail eggs are like what, $3 for a can. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm sorry you guys can't see it. gosh, I miss Philippines. Okay, let's try the intestines. So I'll do it without the vinegar. Just eat it alone like this. So it looks like that. Mmm. It's very soft. I love the taste of it. Oh my gosh. Thank God I took 2. I mean, I was thinking of getting the isaw, like the chicken intestines, but I didn't like how it looks like, and it's the bigger size intestines, the large intestines. What are we talking about? So let's do the fish ball. Okay, let's dip it with the vinegar. It's alright, I wouldn't get this again. By the way, I went to Starbucks to get water and a drink. This is my all-time favorite tea. So what I do is I get passion iced tea with no water. It's apple juice, and then no liquid sugar, just 3 Splenda with Thai walls, but the condensed milk already melted. So good. You should try that. I don't know if in the mainland you guys have Thai walls, which is condensed milk, that you can order at Starbucks, but yeah, this one is good with rice. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna dip it with the vinegar. Yeah. It's even better with the vinegar. This one's $1.50 as well. Yeah. I think why it's so soft is because they probably boiled it first to make it like tender, and then marinate it and then grill it. So that's why. I'm gonna just take it out of the screwer real quick. I wish I had like ketchup with me, like the banana ketchup. Oh my gosh, that's so Filipino. Oh my gosh. Dip it. Of course, it tastes better in the Philippines because it's like everywhere, and you can buy like the best ones like on the streets. That's what I miss the most in the Philippines, like the food. You can't find it here. Like, it's Americanized, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh, this is like my breakfast and lunch and dinner already, guys. Oh, sorry I look harsh, but whatever. Oh my gosh, if you guys ever visit Philippines, you guys have to try street food. You guys won't regret it, I promise you. If you guys are in the Philippines, for people that are watching me in the Philippines, what are your favorite street food? Mine is calamari. It's kind of like a street food because you find it on the street as well, like with fish ball, lobster ball. Oh, by the way, there was lobster ball at seafood, but I didn't get it. So yeah, what are your favorite street food? Mine is isaw. Excuse me. Isaw na baboy. Calamari. That's that. I'm gonna eat the last fish ball. Oh, the fish ball in the Philippines are not like this. It's like thinly sliced. and it's fried, but it looks like this. So same thing. It's just not like that in balls. Like you would think it's in balls because it's fish balls, but it's not. I'm gonna try the liempo now. Ready to try the. I just put the pork intestines on my plate. It's not really liempo because there's bones. There's no taste. I can make better one. $10 for this. It's not worth it. I can say that because I'm Filipino. I can make better grilled pork. Like seriously. It would have been better if there was like ketchup or something.
A month later.
I'm like sweating inside the car already, guys. So I might do another mukbang. Sorry, someone just parked next to me. Like again, but I never done like Q&A, so I'll do that on my next mukbang. But you guys have to leave like your questions down below. Ask what kind of questions you guys want to ask me, and you might be featured on the next video. I don't even know why I got grilled pork. I could have gotten like fish or something, because I really have barbecue. Alright, let's try the barbecue now, guys. Rotten foil. Hopefully it's good. Ooh, $3.50 for this, guys. So expensive. Let's do. Oh my gosh. Sorry, there's rice on it because I put it on my plate. Oh, so good. Not bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. Like all you can taste is the. I don't know if they use like charcoal or if they use the electric grill, because all you can taste is the bitterness, like from the burnt part. Okay, now we'll do the calamari. Calamari. Everything tastes good with rice. Don't watch mukbang if you're hungry. The reason why I went to go and get food at Seafood City because I was watching somebody from the Philippines do mukbang. Best place to get calamari here is Max. Mac Manila with their platter. I don't know what else to talk about, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so hot, guys. The last item that we need to try is the palabok. Sorry guys, I have the AC on. And why do I have the music on either? So let's try the palabok. I think this is palabok. Yep. It would have been better if they gave me like egg and shrimp. Oh, there is shrimp. It's a tiny shrimp though. And if there are calamansi. It would taste better if there was calamansi and egg. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest, guys. I start in about 10 minutes. So I'll see you guys right after work. I just finished work, guys. It's like 11 o'clock and I start work. Oh my gosh. I start work at 8 o'clock tomorrow. So, my gosh, that means I have to sleep right away. I don't know if I can upload a Vlogmas video, guys. I'm gonna be so tired. But hopefully I can. But I'm gonna go home now. Get dinner at Bob's. I don't know if I can show it to you guys. I probably won't, but we'll see. I'll see you guys later. I don't know if I have time to do advent calendar. We'll just see. Hopefully I can though, so I can upload it for you guys. So yeah. Hey lovelies, I just got home. I ate dinner already and we're about to do the advent calendar. Advent calendar, and today is day 13, so let's go ahead and open it. Day 13 is right here, so right there, and we'll see what we have. I have a feeling this is a highlighter. I was wrong, guys. I was wrong. Okay, so for today's advent calendar we have a eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Cookie Cutter, and let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, it's a pale peachy shade. It's not completely white. What do you call this? Like a nude? It's a off-white color. So good for like the crease. If you're gonna do a highlight on your eyebrows, it's good for that. Or do like a lid shade, like all over lid shade, so that's good. I'm not gonna swatch it for you guys. I will include this in today's giveaway prize. I just posted it on Instagram, so if you guys want to win, I'm really excited for this one. Can't believe I'm giving this away, but it is up. You guys can follow me on there, so if you guys do have me on there, you guys already know what today's price is. So since I can't try the eyeshadow, I can't rate it for you guys, but if I were to rate it, I would give it about 3 out of 5, only because the size of it, I mean, it's something that I wouldn't keep for myself, but if I was a eyeshadow girl, then I would keep it. It's a very good shade. It's universal, can be for any skin tone. It's a good size also. Like if you have a full-size palette, I think this would be the right size for the eyeshadow, so that's really good. I'm gonna end the video right here. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload, or if there are giveaways going on. If you haven't already, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys want to see next, or if you are entering in the giveaway, please let me know, ask me questions that you guys want me to answer on my next mukbang. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, that way you guys are updated of what I'm doing when I'm not uploading on YouTube. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, lovelies.